Hi guys, how are you? In this video I have listed the coolest products you will want to buy for your car. Links to the products are available in the description. Let's go to the video. Let the air in the car smell good. The smart air diffuser understands that the car is running and immediately improves the smell of the environment. The fragrance not only freshes the air but also gives a good mood. Thanks to solar energy panels on it, it can automatically charge its battery. This spray is very easy to use. Just fill the essential oil and put it in the cup. Then enjoy the aroma scent and the fresh air in your car. Do you still worry about the small corners in your that are not easy to clean? The cleaning gel perfectly cleans the dust and residues in the narrow gap. Just take out the cleaning gel, knead it in your hands, and then clean the dusty place. The classic gel does not stick your hands, and you can use it over and over until the color darkens. Moreover, you can use the cleaning gel in different places. A perfect gadget for your car. Do you want to eat your meal in the car? Stop eating your lap. The trolley table is easily mounted on cup holders from 3 to 4.1 inches wide with its rubber construction. A 9-inch surface for your foot and a great gadget for watching movies while you eat. With its 360-degree rotation feature and adjustable arm, it allows you to adjust it to the most suitable position for you. Enjoy your meal with your trolley table when you park your car in a safe place. In rainy weather, you cannot see the rear view mirror clearly and therefore your driving safety is greatly reduced. But now this product will increase your driving safety in rainy weather and make your life safer. All you have to do is wipe your mirror with a cloth and then remove the protective film on the product and stick it on the mirror. Then clean in the remaining bubbles and remove the remaining blue protective film as well. It's that simple. You will now be able to see your mirror more clearly in rainy weather. Tired of your car's dark interior look? Then this product is for you. The Bling strip eliminates the dark interior and provides a sparkling look with its shiny diamond structure. Moreover, it is very easy to install. Measure the vent size and cut it with scissors. Use scissors to open it, poke one side into the vent. It's that simple. The Bling strip is very popular among women and girls with its 6 different colors. To support me, you can subscribe to my channel and like my videos. See you in the next video.